For number 26, it says in the xy plane, the line determined by the point. So there's a line somewhere on this xy plane, okay? I don't know if that's the exact, but I'm just drawing the line. And there's 2 points on the line that's given, 2 and K and 32. And again, I'm not drawing it as to scale. And it passes through the origin, my bad. Pretend this is the origin, okay? So we know what is the points for the origin. 0, 0, right? So this is one line, and we now have 3 points on this line. Which of the following could be the value of K? We need to find out what's the value of K. Well, how are you going to be able to find out the value of K? One thing that you need to know, so this is knowing some theories about the lines, okay? These are points on the lines, which are also points that you could use to find the slope, okay? Because this is, think of the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do we have 2 variables? Yes, we do. Let's say that this is going to be x1, y1, and this will be x2, y2. If we were to plug this in, y2 is k minus y1, which is 32, over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is k. You're going to end up getting, oh, I'm sorry, scratch that, everybody. We're going to go y2 minus 1. See, when I did that, we're not going to get anywhere. Okay? What I have to do instead is use it with this line, with this 0, 0 instead. Okay? Because we know that the slope is going to be the same because it's on the same line. Okay? The slope will be the same because it is from the same line. Therefore, if I use any 2 points on the slope, it will work, and I'll show that to you guys, okay? So I'm going to use 0, 0. So let's make this x2 and y2. And this still will be x1 and y1, okay? So for this one, I'm going to go y2 is 0 minus y1 is 32 over x2 is 0 minus x1 is k. So that's going to be the negative. Those are going to cancel out. Zeros don't matter. The negatives will cancel out into positives. So it's going to be 32 over k is going to be 1 slope. Okay? 32 over k is 1 slope. Let's find the other slope. y2 is 0 minus y1, which is k. x2 is over 0 minus x1, which is 2. Zeros are going to cancel out because no one cares about that. Negative and a negative are going to become positive. And the next slope is going to be k over 2. If we're trying to solve for k, and we know that these are exactly the same because they're the same slope from the same line, all you got to go is 32 over k equals k over 2. And then from here, all you do is cross multiply. K squared. And then 32 times 2 is 64. Square root k, square root 64. K is going to equal 8. And that is how you find the correct answer. So again, to review, we got 2 points, and we got a point, and a third point, which is in the origin. If you know the slope formula, you know that you could plug in and find 2 separate slopes that include these points in it. The slopes are equal because they're from the same line. Therefore, you could solve for k.